Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your laptop is online. Chrome needs a connection to sync. Once done, open Google Chrome, use your taskbar or start menu to save time. Next, look at the profile circle in the top right corner. This is where Sign In begins. You tap that icon, and a small panel appears giving sign-in options. This step prepares Chrome to link to your Google account, so you can save passwords, bookmarks, and settings across devices. You click Turn on Sync or Sign into Chrome. This opens the Google account sign-in page. Type your email, hit Next, then enter your password. If you use two-step verification, complete that second factor to prove it's you. Make sure to read the sync settings that appear. You can choose what to sync, such as bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings. Once you confirm, Chrome links your profile to the account, so your data follows you across devices. You finish by confirming that sync is active. Your avatar and a sync icon should appear at the top. If you're on a public or shared laptop, sign out when done, or use guest mode instead to avoid leaving personal data behind. If sign in or sync fails, make sure your password is correct, your internet is stable, and your Google account isn't locked. Then retry. If problems persist, reset the password or check account security settings to regain access and restore syncing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.